turned out to be metal clad, and there was already an existing hole, so I made this piece of plywood to guide the hole saw. And that piece of plywood is going to very much guide this hole saw. So I got my hole saw and this Ryobi drill. I actually kind of really like this drill because unlike most hand drills, this one's got a 2-stage gear reduction. So it spins more slowly with a lot more torque. Metal ring. Okay, so I've just drilled as far as it'll go this way, so I'm about halfway through. That metal is brutal to cut. I always have to back out a couple of times to allow it to clear the chips because these hole saws are terrible at clearing chips. So as soon as I get deep enough to hit that hole, the chips can clear and it cuts much quicker. So here's our chunk of door. So now we put the deadbolt thingy-majig in here. And this needs to go in here. And it seems to have these little hooks in there. There we go. And here. Let's see how that part works. So now just screwing the strike plate in. The cool thing about this being just replacing an old deadbolt is I don't have to do any of the mortises for any of the stuff. And on here, it just fits in the old ones.